in today's episode of What's in That Box. I'm going to be unboxing a new audio product. This was sent to me by Linsoul Audio. I already know what's inside because I got tired of being like, what's inside the box? I don't know. But yeah, this is good. This is really good. So this is what Linsoul sent me. Thank you, Linsoul. The Tin Buds 3 from TinHifi. Let me get out my big unboxing knife here. Let me take this plastic off of here. There we go. Okay. Just look around at listening the world. Okay. Let me see. I got the gun color. All right. I hope YouTube doesn't flag me for saying the G word. And let's pull this thing up. All right, we got some accessories. Okay. Let's see what's inside this box. Okay, we got a user manual, TinHifi. Oh man, that is a nice presentation for some silicone tips. Let's see, we also get a USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable. Very nice. So far, I am impressed. And these are some true wireless earbuds. Oh my God. What? What the hell? Look at it. Okay, I like this. I like this a lot. Let me peel off the top. Okay. This is dope. This is dope. They know. Oh, wait. How do you open it? Oh my God. Okay. It's saying earbuds paired, but I ain't paired them to nothing yet. Hold up. Okay, now they're pairing. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on the V60. Let me unlock it. Okay. Now, take them out. Look at them. Oh my God. Look at these. Oh God, these look good. Hold up, I gotta see how they fit in the ear. Hold on. These look like IEMs, but with no cables. Yo, they just sent me some wireless IEMs. Okay, there's some chunky boys. Yeah, I might need to try out some different tips. I mean, they fit in my ear holes okay, but they're kind of loose. They just kind of come right out. Well, luckily I got more than this one set. Let me take off. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. That is some beautiful craftsmanship. It kind of looks like tie-dye. Let me see if I can get this to show up on the camera. Look at that. That's beautiful. You got the logo right here. It has a really like funky looking ergonomic shape. You got the lights blinking. So you got, okay, yeah, it's blinking red and blue on the right one. These are beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna put them back in the case. Okay, you just fit right there, left and right. Okay, so you just... Okay, that's pretty dope. Let's see, earphone capacity 40 milliamps, charging case capacity 400, Bluetooth 5.2. Nice. Okay, you got the USB charging port. This looks like one of those, what do you call them? The Apple trash can Mac. This is dope. Look at that. That's dope. I like that. I like these. These are really cool. It's kind of difficult to take them out of the case because they're seated up in there pretty deep. Okay, here we go. Tin Buds 3. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, we got 100% battery. Let me go in. All right. Let me go in developer settings. Let me see what kind of codecs we're working with here. Ah, would you look at that? aptX. I'll take it. No LDAC, but hey, I'll take it. It's looking like we're going to get some CD quality. Not bad. I'll take it. But yeah, I gotta try out the different tips because I can't rock with the ones that come on here by default. they're just too tiny. I mean, they would work if they were like actual IEMs with ear hooks, because the ear hooks usually keep the earbud, the the shells from falling out of your ears. But yeah, these are not gonna work for me. So I'm just gonna put these to the side. Let's see. Those are too small. I'm looking for that Goldilocks set. Okay. Those two. All right. Let me try these two. These look gorgeous. I like these, man. Whew. Much better fit. There's still some chunky monkeys though. I might have to invest in getting those. I can't remember if it's KZ or some company. They'll make like ear hooks that are Bluetooth connected. Let's see how it sounds. That bass sound good. I like that charging case. Look at that. Look at that charging case. I like that lid. These sound good. That bass gets pretty deep. The attack is alright, but this is just first impressions. Enables vocals sound really good as well. Soundstage, kind of small, like right here. Yeah, these sound good. I like first impressions. I like the way these sound. These are some chunky boys though, so only time will tell. I don't think these are going to be my workout pair. Now I need to do a little more research on these. These look beautiful. I like this base plate. I am like a bird to see something shiny in the yard, man. I love the different like colors and stuff melded together, especially when it comes to IEMs. And these are basically just IEMs that they turn into true wireless earbuds. So yeah, this has been the unboxing of the TinHifi Tin Buds 3. I wasn't able to get the giveaway, but hell, I got them anyway, so I'll take it. So if you enjoyed this video, watch my latest video. And with that being said, enjoy your life, enjoy your sound. I'll see you.